Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Ram 1500. First, prioritize safety by selecting a large, empty, private space, free from any obstacles. Make sure your truck is in top mechanical shape, especially the tires and brakes. Understanding how your vehicle responds to weight transfer and throttle input is crucial for maintaining control throughout the maneuver. This preparation is key. To initiate the slide, approach a wide turn at a moderate speed, perhaps around 25 miles per hour. You can then briefly apply the handbrake to break traction or use a power oversteer technique by applying significant throttle. Simultaneously, turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner to encourage the rear end to swing out. Once the rear tires lose traction, immediately countersteer by turning the wheel in the direction of the slide. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of the drift. More throttle widens the angle, less tightens it. Keep your eyes focused on where you want the truck to go, not on any potential obstacles. To exit the slide, gradually ease off the throttle while slowly unwinding the steering wheel back to a straight position. This allows the rear tires to regain traction smoothly and bring the truck back into a controlled forward motion. Remember, consistent practice in a safe, controlled environment is essential for mastering this technique.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.